Windows play a crucial role in the overall performance, energy efficiency, and appeal of commercial properties. For businesses in West Jordan, upgrading to high-quality commercial windows can yield a wide range of benefits that impact everything from energy savings and comfort to security and curb appeal. Here are the top reasons why upgrading your commercial windows is a smart investment that can positively impact your business operations and bottom line. Improved energy efficiency and cost savings. One of the most compelling reasons to upgrade your commercial windows is to improve energy efficiency. Old or poorly insulated windows can allow heat to escape during the winter and let warm air in during the summer, driving up your energy costs. Modern commercial windows are designed with advanced materials, double or triple glazing, and low emissivity coatings that minimize heat transfer and improve insulation. By reducing the need for constant heating or cooling, energy-efficient windows can significantly lower your monthly utility bills, offering long-term cost savings. For businesses, reduced operational costs can free up resources for other investments and enhance overall profitability. Enhanced comfort for employees and customers. The comfort of employees and customers is a top priority for any business. Drafty windows or poor temperature control can create an uncomfortable indoor environment, leading to decreased productivity and dissatisfaction among employees and customers. Upgraded commercial windows provide better insulation, minimizing drafts and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. A comfortable environment can boost employee morale, productivity, and overall customer satisfaction, creating a more positive business atmosphere and potentially driving repeat business. Increased natural light and productivity. Natural light has been shown to improve mood, boost productivity, and create a more inviting space. Modern commercial windows are often designed with larger glass areas, allowing more natural light to enter the building. By upgrading to windows that maximize natural light, you can create a brighter, more welcoming atmosphere for your employees and customers. Increased natural light can also reduce the need for artificial lighting, leading to further energy savings and a more eco-friendly workspace. Enhanced curb appeal and building value. First impressions matter, and the appearance of your commercial property plays a key role in attracting customers, clients, and tenants. Upgrading your commercial windows can give your building a fresh, modern look that enhances its curb appeal. Whether you choose sleek, contemporary designs or opt for custom styles that align with your brand, new windows can dramatically improve the aesthetics of your property. An attractive building exterior can boost the value of your property and make it more appealing to potential tenants, buyers, or customers, contributing to a stronger market presence. Improved security and safety. Security is a top concern for businesses in West Jordan, and upgrading your commercial windows can offer significant protection. New commercial windows often feature stronger frames, impact-resistant glass, and advanced locking mechanisms that make it more difficult for intruders to gain access. For businesses that handle valuable assets, sensitive information, or high traffic, enhanced security can provide peace of mind and reduce the risk of break-ins. Many upgraded windows also come with safety features designed to prevent shattering, minimizing the risk of injury in the event of an accident or natural disaster. Noise reduction for a more productive environment. Noise pollution from busy streets, construction sites, or neighboring businesses can disrupt daily operations and create a less than ideal work environment. Modern commercial windows with soundproofing features help reduce noise infiltration, creating a quieter, more focused environment for employees and a more pleasant experience for customers. Reducing noise can improve concentration, productivity, and overall satisfaction, making it a valuable benefit for businesses located in high-traffic areas. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Upgrading your commercial windows can reduce the need for frequent maintenance and repairs. Modern windows are designed with durable materials that resist wear and tear, weather damage, and fading. Features like easy-to-clean glass coatings and weather-resistant frames simplify maintenance, allowing you to focus on running your business instead of dealing with window upkeep. Investing in high-quality windows ensures long-lasting performance and reduces the costs and time associated with regular maintenance. Environmental benefits and sustainability. Many businesses are prioritizing sustainability and reducing their environmental impact. Upgrading to energy-efficient commercial windows is a step in the right direction. By reducing energy consumption, your business can lower its carbon footprint and contribute to a greener environment. This can also align with corporate sustainability goals and appeal to environmentally conscious customers and partners. Elevate your business with upgraded commercial windows. Upgrading your commercial windows in West Jordan offers a range of benefits that extend far beyond aesthetics. From improved energy efficiency and comfort to enhanced security, noise reduction, and sustainability, new windows can transform your business space. Investing in modern, high-quality windows is a smart decision that enhances your building's value, performance, and overall appeal. Make the change today and enjoy a more productive, attractive, and cost-effective business environment.